Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Shifa English podcast. My name is Shifa, and I am here to help you speak English better. Today, we will talk about a very simple and very common topic. The topic is, I go to school every day. In this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use easy words. I will use present simple tense. You can listen and repeat after me. This is good practice. So, let's begin together. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning because I need to go to school. When I open my eyes, I feel a little tired, but I must get up. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed slowly because I do not want to fall asleep again. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms because it helps me feel fresh. Then I stand up and walk to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I always use my soft toothbrush and mint toothpaste because I like the fresh feeling. Brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water to wake up my skin. Then I comb my hair carefully and look in the mirror to check my face and my hair. I feel more ready to start my day after I clean my face and brush my teeth. After I wash my face, I go to my room to get dressed for school because I want to be on time. I open my wardrobe and choose my school uniform. My uniform is blue and white. I wear a blue skirt and a white shirt with a school badge. I put on my socks and shoes, and I make sure everything looks clean and neat. Then I go to the kitchen to eat my breakfast. My mother makes breakfast for me every day because she loves me. Today, I eat 2 boiled eggs, some bread, and a banana. I drink a glass of milk because it gives me energy. Sometimes I drink tea, but today I want milk because it is healthy. After I finish my breakfast, I thank my mother and clean my plate. After breakfast, I take my school bag and check my books and notebooks. I always check my homework to make sure everything is ready for class. My bag is heavy, but I am used to carrying it every day. I say goodbye to my parents and leave the house at 7:30 a.m. I walk to the bus stop because my school is far from my home. Sometimes I meet my friend at the bus stop, and we talk while we wait for the bus. The bus is full of students, and everyone is talking and laughing. I sit near the window and look outside as the bus moves through the streets. The ride takes about 25 minutes, and then we arrive at school. When I arrive at school, I walk to my classroom and greet my classmates. We smile and say good morning to each other because we are happy to see our friends. The bell rings at 8:15 a.m. and our teacher comes into the room. We all stand up and say, "Good morning, teacher." The teacher smiles and says, "Good morning, students. Please sit down." Our first subject is English, and I like English class because I want to speak better. The teacher writes some new words on the board and reads them slowly. We repeat the words after her and write them in our notebooks. Then we read a short story and answer some simple questions. After English class, we have math, science, and social studies. Each class is about 45 minutes long. And we have a short break after 2 classes. At 10 a.m., we have a break for 20 minutes. During the break, we go outside to the playground or stay in the classroom. Some students eat snacks and some students play games. I like to talk with my friends and eat some cookies or fruit. Sometimes I play with a skipping rope or just walk around the schoolyard. The break time is fun because we can rest and relax a little. After the break, the bell rings again and we go back to our classroom. After the break, we study more subjects like art, music, and computer class. In art class, I draw pictures and color them with crayons or color pencils. In music class, we sing songs and clap our hands to the rhythm. In computer class, we learn how to type and use the mouse and keyboard. I like computer class because we sometimes play learning games. These classes are interesting and give us a nice break from difficult subjects. At 12:30 p.m., it is time for lunch. We take out our lunch boxes and eat together in the lunch area. My lunchbox has rice, vegetables, and chicken today. I also have a small apple for dessert. I talk with my friends while we eat, and we share some jokes and stories. We clean up after lunch and throw the trash in the bin. Then we wash our hands and get ready for the last part of the school day after lunch. We have 2 more classes before school ends. We study history and moral education in the afternoon. In history class, we learn about old kings and famous people from our country. In moral education, we talk about good behavior and how to respect others. These subjects teach us about life and how to become better people. We also have a short time for reading quietly or finishing homework. I like this time because the classroom is quiet and peaceful. At 2:30 p.m., the final bell rings, and school is over. We stand up, say goodbye to the teacher, and leave the classroom. I walk to the school gate with my friends, and we wait for the school bus. The bus comes at 2:45 p.m., and we all get on with tired faces but happy hearts. I sit in the same seat near the window and watch the trees and people outside. When I reach my stop, I get off the bus and walk home. When I reach home, I take off my shoes and wash my hands. My mother gives me a glass of water and asks me about my day. I tell her what I studied and what I did with my friends. Then I change my clothes and eat a small snack, like biscuits or fruit. After resting for some time, I sit down to do my homework. I open my school bag, take out my books, and read the lessons again. I write my homework in my notebook and check my answers. Sometimes my sister helps me with difficult questions. After homework, I read a storybook or watch a cartoon on TV. Then I eat dinner with my family and talk with them about our day. At 9 p.m., I start to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face again because I want to be clean before I sleep. Then I wear my pajamas and go to my room. Look at my school bag again and check if I need anything for tomorrow. Then I lie in bed and think about my day. I feel happy because I learn many things and spend time with my friends. I close my eyes and fall asleep slowly. I am ready to wake up and go to school again tomorrow. So, my friend, this is my day. I go to school every day. Wake up. Get ready. Go to school, study, play, eat, learn, and come home. This is my daily routine, and I enjoy it. I want you to think about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What subjects do you study at school? Do you talk with your friends? Do you play at school? What do you do after school? Think in English. Say it in English. Practice every day. Thank you for listening to this podcast. This is the Shifa English Podcast, and my name is Sarah. I will see you next time with another simple English topic. Bye for now, and have a good day.